Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you can I use Hubspot without a website? So is it possible to create or log in or sign up to Hubspot without a website? So let's figure it out. So of course, to create an account on HubSpot, all you have to do is to enter some of the basic information here, like your email address, your password. Okay, you can even sync or sign in using your Google account. But here's the thing. Yes, you can sign up or you can enter your email address or you can link your account automatically. But the question is it possible to proceed without putting or without having a website? Of course, it's kind of hard for you to create a website, or let's just say you really don't have a website, but you just need to sign up for HubSpot. So how are we going to solve this one? So after answering this, as you can see, if you put something here, you cannot click the next button. So that means this part is really important, or you need to input something here like your website. So here's the thing. Yes, it's possible to sign up or log into HubSpot. All you have to do is simply copy this one, what I'm going to type right now. So all you have to do is to try this. And then after that, you have to click next. And let's see if you can create HubSpot using this company website here. And as you can see, yes, it's possible. So thank you for getting your account ready. Now you can proceed and go to your HubSpot account. As easy as that. You can skip this part or you can answer all of this. But the most important thing is that yes, you can sign up your HubSpot using that company website I have showed you earlier. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.